Namaste everyone. I am your yoga teacher Jovet Tuscano. As you all know that today is International Yoga Day. So for that I will give you all some quick information on yoga and then we will perform some easy and basic yoga asanas. As you all know that the father or the originate place of yoga is our India country. And the International Yoga Day was proposed by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi in UN General Assembly on 27 September 2014, and the day was chosen as 21st June as it is the largest day when the sun is out at its most compared to every other day of the year. And then first International Yoga Day celebrated the next year, that is 21st June 2015. Well, the word yoga is pronounced as yog and it's a Sanskrit word which means union, as these exercises contain both spiritual and physical benefits. Yoga uses breathing techniques, exercises and meditation. This exercise can be performed in lying down, sitting down and standing posture. So now we will perform our first asana, which is very common and contains 12 asanas in it. It is called as Surya Namaskar, also called as a salute to the sun. So everyone, please do it with me, watch me and follow the same. In order to perform this asana, we will come one side of our mat. We will keep our both the legs parallel to our shoulders. Then we will join our both the hands. This asana is called as Pranamasana. Then we will breathe in and take our both the hands up and lean backwards. This asana is called Hasta Uttanasana. We will breathe out and take our both the hands down near our legs. This asana is called as Hasta Padasana. We stretch our right leg behind. This asana is called Ashwa Sanchalanasana. We will take our both the legs behind. This asana is called as Dandasana. We will touch our knees and chest on the ground. This asana is called Ashtanga Namaskara. We will lift our chest up. This asana is called Bhujangasana. Again we will go to the Dandasana, Ashwa Sanchalanasana, Hasta Padasana, Hasta Uttanasana, and then back to the Pranamasana. We will do this asana one more time. Look straight, breathe in and take your both the hands up and stretch your body backward. Slowly breathe out and touch your hands towards your legs. Then take your right leg behind. Then take your both the legs behind. Now we will try to touch our knees and chest on the ground. We will lift our chest up in Bhujangasana. Again we will come to the Dandasana. Then we will take our left leg in the front. This asana is called as Aswa Sanchalanasana. Again back to the Hasta Padasana, Hasta Uttanasana and back to the Pranamasana. Be in the same position and try to relax your body. Do normal breathe in and breathe out. Now we are going to perform Tadasana. In this asana we are going to stretch our body in standing position. For this, keep your both the legs parallel to your shoulders. Then slowly take your both the hands front and tie them to each other. Turn it around. Now breathe in and try to lift your body up on the toes. Hold this position as much as you can. Hold your breath. Be there for a few more seconds. Then slowly breathe out and take your both the hands down and relax. We will perform this asana one more time. For this, I am going to change my angle for better view. Keep your both the legs parallel to your shoulders. Take your both the hands in the front, tie them and turn it around. Breathe in and take your both the legs and hands up beyond your toes. Hold your breathing. Hold this position. Then slowly breathe out and take your both the hands down and relax. Now we are going to perform Vrikshasana. It is also called as a tree pose. We are going to perform this asana on our one leg. For this, we will lift our left leg and we will touch it to our right leg. We will take our both the hands in front. We will breathe in and take our both the hands up, and we will hold this position as much as we can. Hold your breathing also. Be there for a few more seconds. Then slowly breathe out. Take your both the hands down and your leg on the ground. Try to relax your body. Do normal breathe in and breathe out exercise. Now we are going to perform it with our right leg. We'll fold our right leg against our left leg. We will breathe in and take our both the hands up. We will hold our breath and hold this position as much as you can. Be there for a few more seconds. Then slowly breathe out and take your both the hands down and your leg on the ground. Relax your body by doing normal breathing exercises. Now we are going to perform this asana one more time. Touch your left leg against your right leg. Breathe in and take your both the hands up. Hold your breath and this position. Be there for a few more seconds. Hold this position. Now slowly breathe out. Take your both the hands down and your leg on the ground. Relax your body. Now let's do it with our right leg, folding towards left leg. Breathe in, take your both the hands up. Hold this position, hold your breath. Be there in the same position. Then slowly breathe out, take your both the hands down and your leg on the ground. Relax your body by doing normal breathing exercises. Now we are going to perform Ardha Chakrasana, means half circle. For this I am changing my angle for better view. Keep your both the legs parallel to your shoulders. Then we will take our both the hands behind and we will hold our waist. We will breathe in and lean behind and hold this position by holding our breath. Be there for a few more seconds. Then slowly breathe in and come forward. Take your both the hands down and relax. We will perform this asana one more time. For this, take position, take your both the hands and hold your waist. Breathe in and lean behind. Hold this position by holding your breath. Be there for a few more seconds. Then slowly breathe out, come forward, take your both the hands down and relax. Now we are going to perform Trikonasana. Trikon means triangle. Our body will look like a triangle. That's why it is called as Trikonasana. For this, split your both the legs. We are going to do it from our right side first. So we will turn our right leg in the front side. Then we will split our both the hands. We will breathe in, we will breathe out and lean our body towards our right side. we'll try to touch our right hand to our right leg and left hand up towards the sky. Now breathe out and take both the hands down and relax. Be in the same position. We are going to perform the same activity one more time. Again, take both the hands up, breathe in. Now breathe out and lean your body towards your right side. Hold this position, hold your breath. Now slowly breathe out and come up and take both the hands down and relax. Now we will do it towards our left side. So split your both the legs. Turn your left leg in forward direction. Now we will breathe in and take our both the hands up. We will breathe out and we'll try to touch our left hand to our left leg and right hand pointing towards the sky. Hold this position, hold your breath. Then slowly breathe in and come up and take both the hands down. Be in the same position. We will perform this asana one more time. Again, breathe in, take both the hands up. Breathe out and turn towards your left side. Try to touch your left leg with your left hand. Right hand pointing to the sky. Breathe in, come up. Breathe out and take both the hands down and relax. Now we are going to perform our last asana, that is chair pose. For this I am changing my angle. We will keep our both the legs parallel to our shoulder. We will take our both the hands in the front, then we'll slowly raise them around our head level. We will breathe in and hold this breath and sit down. Be in the same position as much as you can by holding your breath. Now slowly breathe out and come up and take both the hands down and relax. Again, take position for chair pose. Take both the hands in the front, raise them a bit higher around our head level. Breathe in and sit down. Hold this position, hold your breath as much as you can. Be there for a few more seconds. Now slowly breathe out and come up and take both the hands down and relax. Okay student, that's all for today's yoga day. Thank you.